Hi, welcome back. Another real-time project terminology term. 10, resource allocation. I think probably you might heard this is the very common term across the projects, across any organization for that matters. Resource means the utility which is intended to useful in certain project or activity or program. Okay. Resource can be, I think you heard something called human resources. Human also can be utilized as a resource for certain work. Okay, let's see some common things. So resources, how you can able to uh, you know define for your project. It might be time bounded. For example, certain application you're using for testing, your client is specifically preferable for certain tool. I want that tool for this project need to be get tested. Okay, maybe his own knowledge or based on his previous project experience, or else somebody might be recommended at client end. This is the part of the planning process. The tool might be cost around 10 crores. Okay, 10 crores or what I would say, maybe some huge tons of dollars, but that will be useful for 6 months for a service company. Okay, what they have to do it for 6 months instead of buying. So for example, the project budget also another parameter I'm telling you. For example, so you are doing a project of 50 lakhs, but you have a 10 crores worth of budget tool. You cannot buy it. Is nothing related to your imagination. Okay, what you have to do is the 10 crore tool maybe might be available for 6 months for $1,000. Okay, on rent basis. So what they have to do is service company buy that tool. Okay, either it might be in between the budget between your service company or the company who is giving the project, or else client also might provide some money or some percentage of the money. The tool is specific about that. Okay, $1,000 nowhere related to your 100 crores worth of the budget. Okay, so you can say they will take on rent basis. So time is important. Okay, they're taking resources. For example, we need, if it is a SAP project, we need 5 developers. In that, one is lead and one is senior developer and two is juniors or something like that, based on the time. Okay, duration. So your resources will be allocated. Budget is the question. Budget and time both are uh, parallelly travels. Why? Because your budget is the question based on your time bound. For example, the project duration is 6 months. So these many resources, these many SD consultants, these many amount consult, these many PP consult, these many FSCO consultants are there. So budget is again question controlled with your time. Okay, in what level, how much budget? So what are all the resources we require? How many softwares we require? Okay, team members, budget and team members. And next one is equipment. Certain times certain tools, equipment is manufacturing terminology. Certain times certain projects you can think that your softwares and hardwares and all those comes into picture. So all these are the common resource allocation. Okay, the budget allocation or team members decision, and what are all the equipments we needed. Certain times you're using freewares. Certain times you buy Skype or something like that for communication. Okay, different kind of softwares you needed. Okay, Charm or else Jira, depends on the process you are going to buy. All these falls under like a resource allocation. For certain project to run, what are all the resources required for us? Okay, so this resource allocation is a common word you hear across from throughout your project, from your project manager or delivery manager or someone else. Okay, so I think you learned something about this. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. So currently I'm holding 816 videos. So if you really like my videos, please like it. And if you really wanted to have good knowledge for projects, you can subscribe my channel. And related to this one, currently I'm holding 5,985 students, almost 6,000 students. So all these are the different courses available at my end. I specifically recommend these two courses for every functional consultant irrespective of their module. This is specifically for points out SD. So I'm just providing all these links below of this video. Okay, if you really wanted to enhance your knowledge, you can utilize this as an opportunity. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining the session. Have a great day. Jai Bharat. Love your country wherever you are.